Lights on, we're ready, feel the sound. Future starts right here, right now. Ideas are rising, breaking through. This is the moment, this is the move. Hands up, together we stand. Building tomorrow with our own hands. No limits, no fear, crystal clear. World class in the leaders born here.
What if I tell you there's a group of students called Quest Incorporation has revolutionized the ways of how students study? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Narkisha Batishamitru Azra, and I am a representative of the Quest Incorporation, and here to talk about what is Quest. Quest stands for Quick Universal E-Learning Study Tool. We created Quest to help students have a better engagement of the subject they're studying in.
We bought the touch LCD display online for an affordable price. For the power supplies, we decided to use a power bank so users can switch up to bigger power banks to increase productivity. Now I'll be letting my friend Shahmina discuss the total cost of the Quest.
Thank you, Maura. Proceeding the cost of this project, the ESP32S3 and 7-inch screen display cost over 200 ringgit. Even as the screen protector costs no more than 1 ringgit. Besides that, for the casing, we use the school 3D printer, so the casing doesn't cost as much. Lastly, for the power supply, depends on the size of the power bank. The bigger the power bank, the higher the cost, which makes the cost of this project little expensive as it was.
Our first orientation was to make a tablet similar to something like Kindle, but with more features and affordable price. We chose an e-ink display because it mimics a real book with minimal eye strain compared to that kind of display. But due to limited budget and lack of supplies, we decided to use ESP32S3, which is Touch LCD 7 to our platform. We use Arduino IDE to code and upload everything into the Quest.
And now you may be wondering, how does the Quest work? Well, my partner here will showcase you how the e-reader works.
Thank you. Okay, so how the Quest e-reader works is by we've added three main buttons, which is library, screen test, and open book. So the first function is library. So the point of the library button is to see how many books you've added into the e-reader. So for example, we've added one book that says introduction. So when you open it, you can access it, of course. So to go to the next page is by you can press the right section of the screen, uh, like this, and to go to the previous page, you can press the left side of the screen, and to go back, you can press the bottom half. Okay. So the second button is screen test. So the point of the screen test is to see whether the screen works properly or not. This way, we've added a complex image to see whether there's a dead pixel in the LCD screen. And lastly, the open book function. So the point of the open book function is to open the most recent book you've read on the e-reader. This way, you can avoid painstakingly opening the library and finding a specific book. That's all from us.